I'm gonna make this video even though I'm scared. When you are making a video, you are actually putting yourself on camera, and now you have something physical. And watch yourself. You can see the mistakes that you have made. You can see the things that you like that you're doing while you're making your video. Taking long enough of a pause so as that people aren't feeling like they're getting run over. The first step to believing in yourself. Believing that you can do this. You can make a YouTube channel. You can make a YouTube video. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. One of the reasons why you should start a YouTube channel is it builds confidence. My confidence level has come up. I can talk on camera now. It clarifies your thinking. Well, I've been at this video now for about a week and a half. And I've gone through so many takes that now I pretty much have the whole entire video content memorized in a way. The long-term payoff is I have a video library now. And I have noticed through the analytics that people from time to time are watching my videos, which actually is a good feeling. I'm pleasantly surprised when I realize somebody's watching my video from a long time ago. How long they stay on, I don't know. It could just be a click. I don't know, but it's there and they clicked on it and they're watching it. So that just makes me feel that much better. And I'm hoping over time, more and more people will watch more and more of my videos. And I hope to influence them to start making their own YouTube channel, their own YouTube videos. I mean, it's a pretty cool feeling and it's neat. I enjoy it. I had a truck blog. I took a pickup and I cut the cab in half and I was stretching it to make it a little bit longer of a cab. But the point of the whole matter is 2 times I got invited to go back east to a truck event. All I had to do was pay for my own airfare, but I got free lodging, free food, and a whole bunch of shirts and all sorts of stuff. Just because somebody was interested in the blog that I wrote about my truck build. So you never know what's going to come of, your YouTube video making. Am I after the same thing with my YouTube channel this time around? No. And I never was before with my truck build, but it was just something that happened to come along. So you never know what is going to become of your YouTube channel. Same thing with my artwork. I never had any idea as to what exactly it would look like until after I did 4 or 5 pieces. Then I kind of had a general idea. Same thing with making your videos. The very first one, you have no idea what it's going to end up being. What your video. So making my very first videos, I never had any idea as to what they were going to turn out like. And along the way, I learned that the importance of not uploading music. Otherwise, I could possibly get a strike. I didn't realize that. I see other people that have uploaded popular music and they don't get strikes. I didn't realize there were a lot of technicalities. So it's been a learning curve. So the best thing that I have found is to just come on out here, stand in front of a camera, grab your microphone, have an idea as to what you want to say. Usually with me, it's been 2 or 3 days of trying to get a video out, and it's not high pressure. It's not hyper focused. I almost need to go a little bit faster, but that's just me because I'm getting back into it. I'm not a high pressure type of guy. If I train anybody at work, it's probably they're like, Greg is the most easiest going guy. You don't get upset. Somebody that's learning something, you never want to crush their dreams. So there's no sense in getting upset. And so you just take your time and you get through it, and pretty soon you got it. So this is where we're at. So I challenge you to make your next video as soon as you get done watching this, and post down in the comments below of the video that you have made. And if you would like to see my next video of me uploading my videos to my editing software, please type edit down in the comments below, or something that you'd like me to do specifically, and we will. And don't forget to subscribe either, so you don't miss those videos. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.